They have slittered across the earth for over 100 million years, silent, powerful, mysterious, yet they remain some of the most misunderstood creatures on this planet. Today we unravel the truth about snakes. Prepare to be amazed. Welcome to the hidden world of snake. We see them in myths, fear them in story, but how much do we really know about these incredible reptiles? Part 1. Introduction to the species. There are more than 3,000 species of the snake, each equally adapted to survive in every corner of the planet. From the desert of Australia to the rainforest of South America, snakes have thrived in environments where other animals would perish. Let me introduce you to a few legends. The mesmerizing coral snake, the terrifying King Cobra snake may seem fleeting, but their diversity and beauty are undermatched in the animal kingdom. Part 2. The myth and the facts. Oh man, sorry. But let sorry. A man on a hiking trail jumped back at the sight of harmless gather snake. But let's be real, most of the have a fear of snake, right? They have all heard it. All snakes are dangerous. They are slimly and aggressive. Well, let's bust that myth right now. Snakes aren't slimy. Their scales are dry and smooth, perfectly designed for stealth and movement. Most species are non-venomous. And guess what? Even the venomous ones nothing to do with us. They avoid humans at all cost, only attacking in self-defense. Think of them as nature introverts chuckle. Part 3. Venom, the double-edged sword. But what about venom? Isn't that what makes snakes so dangerous? True, some snakes have venom powerful enough to kill, but this venom isn't just for destruction, it's a weapon. As but it's also a gift to humanity. Snake venom is used to create life-saving medicine, anti-venom, even potential cancer treatments. The venom that we fear is being used to heal. Part 4. Hunting strategies and survival. Now let's talk about what snakes do best. Hunting. These reptiles are master tacticians. Their hunting strategies are nothing short of genius. Some use heat sensor to attack their prey in the dark, others strike with lightning speed, but many, like other constrictors, use their muscle skin to let the life out of their prey in lethal injury. No fangs, no venom, just raw power. Part 5. Snake and their ecosystem. Snakes are not just predators, they play a critical role in balancing each ecosystem. Without them, the prey population like rodents will explode, leading to crop destruction and disease spread. In fact, in many parts of the world, farmers rely on snake as a natural form of pest control. Without them, the delicate balance of nature will trip. Part 6. Human interaction, fear based vanishes. So why are we still afraid? It's simple. We fear what we don't understood. About more you learn more about snake, the more you see them as fascinating, intelligent creatures. In some culture, snake are worshipped, symbolizing rebirth, power, and even immortality. And now many of you us are learning to appreciate their role in our world, in not just as predators but as ancestral threats in the web of life. Closing the final truth, snakes have been planet for longer than us. They have witnessed the rise and fall of dinosaurs, survived mass extinction, and still thrive today. And yet here we are still afraid of them. Maybe it's time to stop fearing this accident creature and start respecting them for what they really are: survivors, protectors of the ecosystem, and living history. The next time you see a snake, remember it not out to get you. It not it just trying to survive, just like best of us.